By the way, one of my subscribers from India sent me these flowers to yes. Oh hell, what did I just say? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Annie, I'm a professional trader, and today I'll show you the perfect strategy for beginners. Watch carefully because I'll show you my secret settings. And if you want to get them, just go to my Telegram channel where you'll find the digits for this strategy. Let's go! Well, to set up indicators, I have to push this button to open the list of indicators. And for this strategy for beginners, I'll be using simple indicators such as candle channel, and I'll change the settings here. Look carefully. EMA period will be for 24, and I also need to make this corridor a little bit wider. So what should I do for this? I'll change the multiplier for 2, and look here, now candle channel is much wider, and that's exactly what I need. Well, what about colors? I want to change this color for orange. That's exactly what I need, and let's move on. Let's go further, and I'll select one more tool, and this will be stochastic oscillator. So let's go to oscillators panel, and stochastic oscillators here. So default settings are enough. It's a perfect tool that shows me oversold and overbought areas. So I'll just close this window and go to the list of currency pairs before start trading. If you're a beginner, be sure that you selected the best currency pairs for this trade. I mean the currencies with greater percentage of payout. So let it be Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. With this 90% of payout, everything that's higher than 80% of payout is considered profitable for me. All the market is OTC today, so don't be afraid of trading with OTC currency if you're trading with reliable broker. And I'll also pin up these currencies because I like them pretty much. And I also like the situation. What's happening here? I see that the price meets the resistance level right over there. And from this point the price is rebounding and down direction and it's falling, but here the price meets the middle line of candle channel indicators, so it makes me opening the first trade at this point, and from this moment be ready to trade down. Well, perfect result. As you see, the price went down, and do you know why? Because we had this signal as stochastic oscillator. Look at these two lines. These lines are crossing oversold in and down direction, and that's why I opened here a position way down. And I was right. So let's move on and let's get another currency pair. Let it be Australian dollar and Japanese yen. Let's see what's happening at this currency pair. Ooh, this is also a perfect downtrend here. I like this currency pair, and I want to open here a position with 20 bucks. So I'm always reinvesting my profit. That's why I managed to overclock the deposit pretty rapidly. So these 20 bucks in my account, guys, I'm increasing my investment. And yes, if you want to trade with me, just follow to my Telegram channel and join my community. And I think that's the moment. Good time to open a position, so be ready for put option right now. Wow, great result! I'm in profit. Do you see this? And right now on the same chart, I want to change my investment. And I would like to trade with 35 bucks. So I would like to make all my trades profitable. And here I open a trade up. Well, great result again. I'm again in profit. So as you see, the strategy is really working out. And friends, if you want to trade with my special strategy, which is by the way pretty easy for you to repeat step by step, but if you want a really great result and guaranteed profit, just follow my Telegram channel, the link's below this video, join my community and go trade with me. So let's go further, and I want to trade with the second currency pair. What's happening here? I see Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, and pretty nice volatile market is here. I like that the price is inside this corridor, and here I would like to increase my investment up to 65 bucks. So pretty nice investment. And when the price is meeting the low high line of Keltner channel indicator, and I open a trade down. Well guys, this amazing profit. As you see, I made 120 bucks on this trade, and I'd like to make here one more trade again. So I'll put here these 120 bucks because I want to reinvest the money, and let me consider what's happening here. That's a perfect downtrend, and that's why my trade down was just perfect decision, and I want to make one more, and I'm opening a trade up. That was a really risky trade. You see, the price was going in up direction for some time, but in the last second of my trade, the price was going down, and now it's still going down, so that was risky enough. You know, actually my signals have pretty high accuracy, up to 80%, but sometimes there's risk to lose money, and that's why always adhere to the rules of money management. Don't trade with your whole wallet. Here's the strategies that I'm shooting for you for this YouTube video, but usually when you're a beginner, trade just with a small part of your wallet. Don't use more than 20% of it, and in this case you'll be in profit. So let's continue discussing the strategy for beginners, and let's check the third currency pair, euro as Swiss franc. So what's happening here? I'm very interested because the situation is drastically changed here. The price now is at the lower band of the Keltner channel, and it needs the one more support level. So this low band of Keltner channel looks like support level for this situation. And I'm really interested in what's happening in the higher time frame, because I'm trading usually on 1 minute time frame. And if I switch to 5 minutes time frame, I would see a different situation. Always check with the different time frames if you want to know what's happening on a global level. And also, this is a very short time frame. So I'm going scalping most of all, because I want to earn money really rapidly. And here is the price inside the Keltner channel corridor on 5 minutes time frame. So let's go back again to 1 minute time frame and see what I can do here. With these price movements, I think it's a good time to me to invest. I think 200 bucks. Let it be exactly this time, and pay attention that in this strategy for beginners, I'm doing all trades for 1 minute only. And now I open a trade down. Great, you see the price went lower, and thanks to the small price movements, when the price rebounded and then changed direction from the support level, well, it was amazing. Now stochastic oscillator gave me one more signal that the price would go down, and that's exactly why I made this profit so easily, guys. And you can do the same, you know. I also started from scratch one day, but now I can say that I have enough experience to know how this Quotex platform works, and this strategy for beginners is designed exactly for this platform. By the way, one of my subscribers from India sent me these flowers to Yes. Thank you so much. I know how expensive it could be for you, but I'm so proud of you because you earned those money with my signals, and now you can afford sending flowers to thousands of women you like. Guys, I really appreciate your love, but you'd rather drop this money to Quotex and double your sums to, I don't know, buy a Lambo for yourself. Let's continue. These indicators here are the best, so let's continue working with them with the first currency pairs, Australian dollar and Japanese yen. And let's see what's going on here. Let's check. The situation here is absolutely different because we see that the price is above this Keltner channel indicator. In general, it was a local downtrend. And if you draw this imaginative line of our downtrend, we'll see that the price is just meeting this level. So this makes me open in one more position with 400 bucks, and we see I know in advance which payout I would get. Well, it already increased to 90% of our total, so now I'm opening the trade up. Perfect, the price breaks this resistance level and it's going higher and higher, but according to the stochastic oscillator, well, it's in the oversold area. It means that very soon the price could crash and fall, but not now. And you see, now the price is growing and I made $700 on this local growth of this price, and I think that's excellent, especially with the strategy for beginners where we're using Account channel and stochastic oscillator, and you remember the digits. The settings of these indicators are special, so use only these special indicators and settings because they're designed especially for this platform, and in my Telegram channel you can get them for free. And now I'll continue overclocking with my deposit. I just want to show you that everything's possible, even overclocking a deposit from 20 bucks. So that's why let's go to the second currency pair, which is Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Almost each currency pair now have more than 90% of payout. And look, this is really crazy volatility on the market. Candles are growing and falling down, but in general, I would say that this is a downtrend and it's pretty comfortable to work when the trend is clear. But I would see that this is a messy chart because there's a bunch of candles inside this Keltner channel indicator and there's no much price changes, so it can be very risky to trade here. That's why I can recommend you invest your whole wallet here. So let's check one more situation. Let's it be euro and Swiss franc. What the market is offering for us in this moment. I think that euro and Swiss franc are not a bad choice for us as price started to grow here. Stochastic oscillator is also going in up direction and the price already meets this middle line of Keltner channel indicator. So I would invest here 750 bucks. That's almost all my wallet because I'm so sure about the signal. So here guys, I open a trade up. One more excellent trade again. So I'm lucky enough today and look, I earned my first $1,000 in Quotex, but of course we want more. This is a strategy for beginners, and if you're a beginner, this is really pleasant for you, but I would like to earn even more because my financial goals are bigger. My target is around 2,000 bucks. So let's check the first currency pair, and it would be Australian dollar and Japanese yen. I want to make the last trade, and this trade will be really huge because I would like to invest $1,000. As you see, the price is growing. It already made this level, so 93.6 is a pretty high level. The resistance level has already met and broken for several times, so I think the bulls here are pretty strong. So $1,000 in my investment, and I have to think twice because this is pretty big investment even for me. And 1,000 bucks. Guys, write in the comments, would you be nervous when you're trading with such big sums? And yes, I think I am ready to make a decision and I open a trade up. Yes, guys, of course, bulls are taking over this market. As you see, I already managed to earn $2,030 and it's very satisfying. So here I want to end this session. So let's call it a day. Friends, it was really nice to show you this strategy. But if you want to make stable profit, follow my Telegram channel and join my VIP community. There I share free signals for your own profitable trades. And so guys, that's all for now. Bye bye.